Hello, assalamu alaikum. We are exploring data types in Python, and in the last video we talked about tuples. In this video we are going to cover dictionaries, and those are not only important but very interesting data types in Python. So dictionary just works like the dictionary we have used in our schools. What do you do with a dictionary? Do you find the word by the page number or some code of that number? No, you find the definition of any word by the word itself. So for each definition, there is a unique word that acts like its keys. The definition, you have to unlock it when by searching the key of that definition, and that is the word itself. Likewise, Python allows us to make data structures called dictionaries. For when you make a list, okay, and if you want to access that list, you access it through index number. For example, 0, 1, 0, or 1, or 2. But when you make a dictionary, you don't access that number or the elements inside dictionary using index numbers. You just act like finding a word in dictionary. First of all, how do you make a dictionary? Important task. Start with dict 1. Okay? Lists are made with square brackets. Tuples are made with round brackets, and dictionaries are made with flower brackets. Okay? Now, for each element inside the dictionary, you will need a key that will unlock its value. So you have A, for example, A, and then you will give a semicolon and then its value. After you are done with the first element inside the dictionary, you give the second key, give a semicolon, signifying that now the value will start. The value can either be string or boolean value, anything. Okay, now the third key through which you are going to unlock this definition in future, and that can be true or false, anything. So now we have made a dictionary, just like we have added a word inside a dictionary. Sorry, why did we get this syntax error? Because after making the second key value pair, we didn't provide it a comma, and that shook the whole dictionary. Now, how can we access the elements inside this dictionary? For example, I want to print the second element. I will say, well, I will be saying 1. Will I be saying the index number? No, I will be giving the key of the second element, and that will return to me its value called string, hopefully. And how if I want to reassign this value? Just like we reassign a element inside a list, we will reassign an element inside a dictionary. The only difference is there we use index and here we use a key to access that element. Now I am reassigning it to Hussein, and hooray, we have the second element as Hussein. Okay, that's how the dictionaries are used in Python, and you will be using them not seldom but abundantly in future when you are actually programming, as they are the pivotal part of programming in Python. Thank you very much.